Hey folks, Corey Arnold out here at Toyota of Easley. All right, we got some brand new inventory just came off the truck. 2026 Toyota 4Runner Limited. By the way, the limited Toyota 4Runner is right now the best-selling vehicle at Toyota of Easley as far as the 4Runner goes. And this particular one is special because it has the Hybrid Max. So this is 2026 Toyota 4Runner Limited Hybrid Max. Of course, all Hybrid Maxes are also four-wheel drive that we got here. So guys, just to let you know, we go from 317 foot-pounds of torque to 465. So in your mind, think of the drivetrain that's standard on the Land Cruiser. It's optional on the actual Toyota 4Runner, and this particular one has the upgrade. It's kind of a rare that we got here. White on the outside with the Portobello inside. This is, as the inventory guy here, this is the single best color. When I was in the grocery business, they said if you were out of vanilla ice cream, you were out of ice cream. Well, in the 4Runner business, if you're out of white with tan or white with Portobello, then you're out of 4Runners, and we have got the right one here right now. Big 14-inch screen, heated and cooled seats in the front. This has got a heated steering wheel. It's got it all. This is a nice car that we've got. I see the panoramic view monitor. I see a power, look at that. Even a power steering wheel up and down right there. All right, memory seats, power folding mirrors right there with the automatic. Beautiful car. All right, let's check out the back. There is the back there. This one also has the JBL sound. All right, then in the back here. All right, so something I want you to remember back here. Watch this right here, okay? Press and hold, I've got the key on me in case you need to put something inside, okay? Don't want to open up the gate every single time. However, let's let that back up. Can you do it halfway? Sure you can, but there, let's go all the way up. And then we've got a power lift gate. Now, let me say this. I probably have not turned this one on. All right, just came off the truck. I don't want you to think this does not have a power lift gate. It certainly does. But I'm going to raise that up just so you can actually check that out. Not doing any damage to it when we do that we've got there. All right. Now, remember in here, all right, the Hybrid Max. So the batteries for this vehicle are actually underneath this floorboard. They're in the back, out of your way. All right. 465 foot-pounds of torque. So this is the one with all the power. This is a really nice car, special. Hybrid Max generally adds, this one even has the foot activated. Come on, let's get a picture of that, Jay. This one has the foot activated lift gate in the back there. Again, I don't have it on now. Forgive me for not having that on before we got there. All right. Let's check out the side over here. Oh, the rear parking assist, the parking assist, and this one also with the automatic braking. So those sensors can actually activate your brakes in some situations. So let's say you were backing up, maybe doing about 5 miles an hour, don't realize there's a vehicle back behind you. In some cases, those sensors can actually activate the brakes inside this car that we got here. 20-inch alloy wheels, actually standard that we got here. Now, in your mind also, think of this, all right? There's very little differences between this and actually a Platinum model, whereas the Platinum, however, is blacked out. Remember, the Platinum has got blue seats on the inside and it's got black wheels on the outside. This, again, is a little more popular right now. The white, the windshield pearl with the Portobello on the inside. I don't know if we got a view from this side over here. Check that out. And because this is the limited model, this one has the full-time four-wheel drive. All right, so in the other models, it's a part-time four-wheel drive system, but in the limited, we've got a full-time four-wheel drive system that we've got there. Heated, ventilated seats that Jay's got a camera on right there now. Beautiful car, good looking. All right, well, it just came off the truck. It is available, 2026 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Four-wheel drive with the Hybrid Max system. All right, it is here and available right now. Come see us at Toyota of Easley. Have a great day.